Hello traders, welcome. Today we are going to look at a very useful concept in trading, which is next candle theory. Candle give us a lot of information between the buyers and the sellers who is in control of the market at that particular point in time. So let's look at how we can use this in order to predict the next candle which is likely to appear in the market. As you know, this is our bearish candle here. We have a low, we have our low here, we have our high here. In this bearish candle, we have this candle open from this point. This candle made a high here. It moved to create this low. It went and closed at this place, and the next candle that is going to appear will appear from this close of this candle. The next candle failed to appear from this close of this candle, then this is what we regard as volume imbalance. So the same thing applies on the bullish bar. So let's look at how we can use this information of open, high, low and close to predict the next candle that will appear in the market. The idea of this is to wait for candle to take either the high or the low of this price and see where that candle close before we know what the next candle is likely to do. So we are looking for where the sweep will occur, and likely from there we'll know where the next candle will be. As you can see in this candle, we have the low here and we have the high here. This is a bearish candle. With this information, we don't have enough information here, but because this is an inside bar, this candle is an inside bar and it closes inside this previous candle. So we don't have enough information here. If we look at this other candle, we have a high here and we have a low here. So this two candles is still inside bars on this candle. In this whole area, we still have a large candle here and we have another candle here. So all these are inside bars of this big candle range. So most of the time, we wait for price to take out this area, take out this high or this low to know what the price will actually tell you. So, but we are expecting to see probably a higher price from here. So let's play and see what the next candle will bring. As you can see, this candle, we have a next candle appears, and this candle took this high here. And when this candle took this high and closes above the previous candle, it still closes above this candle range. We are expecting the next candle to come and sweep this area here, this liquidity here. But though this candle is a large candle, but we are expecting this liquidity here, this candle high here, to be swept. So let's see what the next candle does. We can see the next candle swept that high here, but closes inside this range. It closes inside the range of the previous candle. And when it closes inside the range of this previous candle, our next candle will likely take out this low here. So as you can see, the next candle took out that low and closes deep. We have a long candle and we still expect the next candle to take out this low here. Unfortunately, it failed to take out that low. So we have a candle inside the range. So probably wait for this price to be taken out to know the full direction of the trend. But I'm expecting price will come back and took out this candle high here. This is what I'm looking at, for price to come and take out this candle high here. So let's see. price failed to take out this high here, we still have a candle inside this range. So I'm expecting this low to be taken here. I'm expecting this candle low to be taken and probably reaching to take out this candle low. So we have this candle sweep this low here and still close this inside this other candle. So we will likely expect this high here to be taken. We are expecting this high here to be taken. We can see this, the next candle took out that high and closes above that previous candle. You can see the closure above that previous candle high. So we are still expecting a higher price from here to this high to be taken. So we can see this high was taken and we can see a very long bearish candle here. You can see a long bearish candle here. So I will likely expect to see this bearish trend continue. I would like to see this low of this candle taking, but mind you, this is a long bearish candle. I'm not expecting to see another big move like this, but I was expecting this candle to be taken. As you can see, price did not take that candle and we have price close inside this range. We have our candle range here. So what I will expect from here basically is for price to still take out this candle here. As you know, this area is an area of imbalance, a fair value gap. So I will expect to see next candle mitigate this area before even dropping down. So let's see what the next candle does. So we can see we have this candle took out this high before dropping down this area, and when this candle drop, we can see the candle moves to close inside of this candle. So I'm expecting to see price come lower, trade lower, but I'm not expecting price to take out this week because this is a long week. So I'm expecting price to run lower, but we are uncertain here. So let's play the next candle to see what it looks like. So that didn't work out. Price moves and close above that candle with a long wick. So we are expecting for price to take out this high here, but as you know, this is a large wick. As you can see, this candle closes below 50% range of this candle, so it's unlikely for price to take out this area, this high here, but our narrative will be for this next candle to sweep this high because we have a closure above this high of this previous candle. Yes, see, the next candle did not take this high because we have a long wick here. So in this kind of scenario, I'm expecting this candle low to be taken here. I'm expecting a sweep or this candle low to be taken. That is what happens. So I'm still expecting this candle low to be taken, but we still have a long wick here. So probably price might not move so fast to take out this low here, but our target is for price to sweep this low here. As you see, we have the next candle, which is an inside candle of this range. So this inside candle here we expect this next candle to be take out this high because price closes inside this candle range. So that is where I will look for this high here to be taken. So let's see. It failed, rather price continue lower to took out this low here. So I'm expecting to see the low of this candle taking. Let's see. I'm still expecting to see the low of this candle taking. Price took this low and close this, but we have a large wick here. We need to be careful, but I'm expecting this low to be taken. As you can see what happens here, price took this, never took the low. We have a bullish closure here. What is this telling us? This is telling us that this price will probably reach out, and we are expecting, we have an area of imbalance here, a fair value gap. Price will probably reach out to that fair value gap. Let's play. Price fell to take out this high here, and instead price took this low here. Price took this low but closes inside this long candle range. So we have now still an area of indecision here, but I'm expecting a lower prices. Yeah, still price took this low here. As you can see, for this area is a volume imbalance that will likely attract price. But in this case, let's see if we can see this low taking, but I'm betting that price will unlikely take this low. You can see price still took the low and closes inside this candle. So we have that bullish sign. We are expecting this high to be taken and possibly price reaching out for that imbalance there. As you can see, price took that high here, and you see price move on to fill this imbalance here. The next candle I'm looking at is for price to come and take this high here. We have this candle took this high here, and this candle closes outside this candle. So I'm expecting to see another higher price to take out this high here still. As you can see, price took out that high here but closes inside this candle range. So we're expecting price to take out this low here. You can see the next candle took out that low but took out this high still and closes above this candle. So I'm expecting price to come and take this high here. So you can see price took that high here. So I'm still expecting this bullish momentum to continue for price to take out this high here. Price took out that high and still continue and closes above this candle. So I'm expecting price to still take out this high here. Price took out that high here, closes inside this candle. We have a bearish closure, so I'm expecting this low to be taken out. Price took out that low. We have price close a bullish closure here, so I'm expecting this high to be taken out. As you can see, price took out this candle here, and we see a candle closure here, so I'm expecting this high here to be taken out. As you can see, price slightly took out this high end of this candle, of this previous candle, and closes inside this range. So I'm expecting this low to be taken. Price took this low but closes outside this range. So I'm still expecting this candle low here to be taken. Let's see. Price took that low here. Price took the low of this previous bearish candle. We see a bullish candle created here. So I'm not expecting price to go as far as taking out this high here, but that should be our target, but I'm not expecting it. We have a very long bullish candle here with a very large wick, so I'm not really expecting price to go as far as taking out this place. So let's play price and see what it does. As you can see, the next candle is an inside bar candle. we have a next candle inside this candle range. So but inside this candle range, we are likely to see price move and take this low here. So let's see, it's still an indecision. Remember, when you have this kind of large candles, you normally see smaller candles, certainly a range before price will take out those areas and continue its direction. So we are expecting this high of this candle to be taken. As you can see, price swept that high but closes inside this range. So I'm expecting this low of this candle to be taken. Unfortunately, it did not happen. What we see here is a volume imbalance. Price closes here and opens here. So this area becomes a void, an area of volume imbalance that price will likely come back and fill. But we are expecting the high of this candle to be taken. So the next candle took out this candle high. We are expecting this candle high to be taken. Probably we are looking to run this high here. So let's see. We have this next candle high taken, but we have a bearish closure here. So we are looking for next candle to be bearish. We are looking for this high, this low here to be taken. We have this low taken, and this candle closes inside of this candle range. This means that the sellers tried to push price down but could not push it beyond. So we are expecting to see the high of this candle taken. So let's see. The high of this candle is taken and we see price still move down. So we are expecting this candle low to be taken. Like I said, whenever you have these large candles, you normally have inside bars candles. So we're inside this candle range here, and we are still in a larger candle range here. In this previous bullish candle, neither the high nor the low has been taken. So we will likely see price take out this high here. So let's see. We see a long bullish candle here. So we likely see this bullish trend to continue. We would like to see the high of this candle taken. Price took that high but closes inside the candle range. So we are likely to see the low of this candle taken. This is a fair value gap. So we are expecting price to mitigate this fair value gap. So let's see predicting the low of this candle to be taken. So price, you can see that deep move on this value gap. So we are expecting to see a lower prices and this low taken. So as you can see, this candle move, we see a sweep here. We see a sweep of this low here, where our target is for this low to be taken. Yeah, it happens. This low is taken. So you can see price came and we have a long bearish candle. So I'm still expecting this low to be taken. We have this low taken. As you can see, we have a body closure outside this candle range, but a candle with a very large wick. So I'm not seeing this candle low here taken, but our target is this low. But let's see how it goes. So it did not happen. Whenever you have a candle with a large wick, a very large wick, it's unlikely that price will go there. And we have this candle here, and meanwhile we have liquidity here. So price is reaching out for this liquidity. We have a body candle closure to the bullish. So I'm expecting to see this high taken as well. That high was taken, so I'm expecting to see a lower price. You see bearish candle with body closure, so I'm expecting to see price drop lower and this low taken. I'm expecting this low taken as well. You can see price took this low here, and we have a candle closure here, and we have a fair value gap here. So I'm expecting to see the high of this candle taking for price to mitigate this fair value gap. Yeah? As you can see, price took that area and we have price move above this area. So I'm expecting to see another higher price here. Price took this range and still closes above this candle. So I'm expecting the high of that candle to be taken. As you can see, price took that high, closes above, and still expecting the high of that candle to be taken. Price did not take this high. We have price reach out, we have an area of equal highs here. We have price close inside this candle range. We will likely see a lower price, but this is an indecision bar. This is an indecision bar, so we likely don't really know what it's going to bring, whether we see price take this relative equal highs here or price continue lower. But it's probably in this kind of scenario we might see the next candle come out and take both the highs and the low of this indecision candle. So let's see. As you can see, this is what happened. The next candle took the high and the low. We have liquidity of equal highs here, so that is where price is likely to gravitate to. Price took this high here, so we like to see this high taken as well. So from here, you can use this to frame your bias. You cannot use this only on its own. You can only use it to frame your bias, and this becomes relevant when you are in a key level or when you are near a key level. So as you can see here, we predicted the next candle high or low to be taken. At least we predicted it 60-70% of the time, which is good. So but for you to frame your bias or your draw on liquidity based on that, you have to use it on a bigger time frame. The picture, that one candle on the bigger time frame, will give you a lot of information on where to trade on the lower time frame. So this is why this concept is very, very important to understand and to use it to your advantage. So you can go into your chart, start practicing this, look at it on the bigger time frame. From there, you can frame your trade or your strategy based on that. I will probably do a next video based on how I can use this in order to frame a precise entry and take trade, because I don't normally neglect reading individual candlesticks. At least it gives me an edge of what is happening on the bigger time frame. It is very, very important. So thank you so much for watching.